I got my life back. I got my life back. I'm here, premiere. This is what it looks like now, but get to see it tomorrow, y'all. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. Come on, beauty pros. Get in to win. Get into showtime. Showtime at the arena. Everyone, I want you all to meet one of my very first coaching clients from the trade show. This is Miss Cassandra. Hey, Cassandra.
Hi, Miss Maisie. How are you?
Good. What's the name of your business?
My business name is Soldier of Beauty Nails, here in Orlando, Florida.
Awesome. And how can people find you?
Or you can find me on Instagram at Soldier of Beauty Nails, or on Facebook at Soldier of Beauty Nails.
Can we see your nails? Awesome. So I just wanted to find out from you. You paid $49.99 for 30 minutes coaching with me. Honestly, other than that, how do you think what value have you gotten from this? And since you took my class yesterday, you took my class again today.
Yes.
Please just really quickly tell people how you feel right now about the classes, about your business, all of that.
Both classes were amazing, but I feel now I have more confidence. I feel like I will get more clientele that I was looking for. I can better service my clients now and bring in a little bit more revenue to myself.
Okay.
So I don't know if I don't want to spill too many beans. Take the class, y'all. Take the class. You can learn some stuff as well.
Yeah.
But it was empowering for me, and I feel like I have a new mentor now.
Girl, I got you. Got you. I'm like her angel. So when she start making all that money, I'm gonna send her an invoice for that big bill. Just kidding.
You're gonna make me cry. Don't do that.
Okay, we'll be back. Phoenix is signing my book, y'all. This is day 2 at premiere. Yes, look at that. Right on that page. It's a blessing to be with these. Alex, say something.
Oh, hello, darling. Oh.
Hello, darling.
Oh, sorry. Are you filming me?
Yes.
Oh, hi.
That's Alex, y'all.
Hey.
So we're here, day 2. Look at all this talent, y'all. These are like nails, guys. This is done with nails, nothing else. Sculpted. The winner is going to be announced this evening. Yes, look at these. Creative geniuses. It's just amazing to see the talent that these people have. What's up? The courage it takes to compete. I congratulate all of you.
Terrence, Terry, Miss Maisie, all the heavy hitters.
That is so cute.
That is so cute.
Oh, I want that. Send that
I
to me.
know.
You want
Send
this
that
one?
to me.
Yes.